Let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the JSE that had taken actually quite a small dip. The last time I checked, it was down a little over more than a 0.1%, but seeing that it has come back slightly into red territory, trading relatively flat, but with a gain there of 0.04%. We are, of course, looking at the industrial 25 carrying most of those gains that we are seeing there. That up more than 0.4%. Again, on the resources 10 complex of almost 0.25%, but backing that trend is the financial 15 with a decline of almost 0.6%. Of course, as much as there is a thinner trading today because of the U.S. markets being closed for Martin Luther King Jr., of course, that coinciding with the inauguration of Donald Trump. We also have economic data releases that we will be waiting for this week, including the consumer inflation, retail sales, and also mining production. So, of course, because those markets in the U.S. are closed, we head on over to the European markets. And, of course, there in Europe, the World Economic Forum, that annual meeting taking place this week, starting today, but really we are going to get the meat and potatoes of that meeting starting from tomorrow. We are seeing a sea of green on that front. The FTSE 100 up by 0.5%, the CAC 40 eking out a gain of 0.6%, and the DAX up by almost a similar margin. Let's take a look at what is happening on the currency scene, and we start off with how the rand is doing against some of the major currencies. Significant strength on the rand, now just above 18 rand 50 against the US dollar. Pretty good picture to see there. Against the pound at 22 rand 83, and against the euro at 19 rand 33. Let's take a look at how the other currency pairs are doing, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.04, pound dollar at 1.23, and the yen just below 156 against the US dollar.